Forecast. Meteorologist Stephanie Lauber is standing by with the very latest. So usually when it's this warm outside, Paul,
you were just talking about
it's going to be a hot one.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Stephanie?
even when I stepped outside this morning, I was like, oh gosh, it's kind of icky outside. It's really just the only word you can use to describe it. It's warm, it's humid.
It's icky.
Hey, well, there's some other synonyms you could find for that, but that's the one I found today. It was not comfortable stepping outside the door. So Doppler radar shows us we had a little bit of moisture in the air here, a few drizzles coming across the coastal bend here, depending on where you are. Not everybody got some, but looks like we're on a mostly dry start to the morning if you discount all the moisture in the atmosphere. That is, it's a really mild start here. We're all in the 70s so far this morning, 73 in Port A, 74 in Rockport, 75 in Ingleside. If you're in Corpus Christi, it's 74. It gets warmer inland. Reporting 78 degrees in Robstown right now, 76 in Kingsville. It is just... It's a sign of what's to come this afternoon on this warming trend here. So winds continue to come in from the southeast and south-southeast today at around 5 to 10 miles per hour this morning, a little breezier along the coastline. So we know what that means. We're continuing to get the warm, humid air moving into our area. So that's the reason why we're going to be so cloudy today. I don't think we'll see very much sunshine at all. See that rain word starting to come out because it's in this forecast. So water vapor shows us the upper third of the atmosphere where you see this little pocket of orange. That's drier air, but all of this is moisture, all of this blue. So we're going to have clouds just socking us in today, especially from the upper levels. But notice way out here, we start to see that comma shape, that familiar comma shape. That is our next weather system that's going to be moving into the coastal bend. It's going to take about another day or two to get here, and it's going to bring us that rain that we so desperately need here across the coastal bend. So visible satellite, not going to show us much right now because the sun's not up, but I was trying to show you that we'll have a lot of cloud cover going into this afternoon, and it'll be a warm one going into the next several hours. Here in Corpus Christi, we'll be hanging in the lower 70s, warming up to the upper 70s by about lunchtime. Those winds will also be coming up as we head into the afternoon, rising to about 15 miles per hour. And as we head into the later part of the day, we could see winds getting up to around 20 miles per hour like we did yesterday, gusting a little bit higher. So those forecast highs today, you guessed it, they're going to be warm, especially if you're further inland. We're going to hit about 92 in Alice today, 93 down in Falfuria. So you get a little cooler as you head back closer to the coast. 86 for you in Sin, 84 up in Refugio, 77 for the high in Port Aransas, 81 for you at the Naval Air Station. So yeah, it's going to be, again, a little taste of summer here as we head on through the rest of today. Going into tomorrow morning, again, another mild start here. We'll stay in the low to mid 70s to start out throughout the afternoon, warming up into the 80s again. So here's a look at the next 7 days. We're getting closer to when that front arrives. So another breezy, warm day this afternoon. I don't think we'll see much sunshine. Then Wednesday, we get a little more sunshine. We'll get a little warmer, but into Wednesday evening, we see the storms roll in. That front comes through on Thursday. So the first part of the day, we'll still have some showers and storms. The second part of the day getting better. We clear out for the weekend, and look at this, guys. Warm temperatures, sunshine, but some cooler mornings ahead of us. It's going to be a pretty nice start to May.